tropical storm warning is in effect for the following marine locations: North Mobile Bay, South Mobile Bay, Mississippi Sound, Alabama, Perdido Bay area, coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi out 20 nautical miles, and waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line to Pensacola, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles. Tropical storm warning in effect. What? Southwest winds 20 to 30 knots with gusts up to 40 knots and seas 11 to 16 feet. Waves over bays and sounds building to 3 to 5 feet. Where? Portions of the coastal waters of Alabama and northwest Florida. When? Tropical storm force winds expected from late tonight through Monday. Impacts. Very strong winds will cause anchor to seas which could capsize or damage vessels and reduce visibility. Mariners should alter plans to avoid these hazardous conditions. Remain in port, seek safe harbor, alter course, and slash or secure the vessel for severe conditions. The special marine warning will expire at 10:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. The affected areas were coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi.